Welcome back to Therapy Thursday. Today we're going to show you the frog bridge. The frog bridge is a simple modification from a typical glute bridge. A typical glute bridge has you set up with the bottom of your feet on the ground and at some variety of hip abduction and knee flexion. We did a Therapy Thursday not too long ago showing some research that identified the best starting point is an abducted hip position, knees more than 90 degrees, and toes flared out. This is typically where people will find the best initiation of glute challenge. But all of our hips and all of our anatomy is different. The shape of our hip joint, the fiber direction. So the frog bridge is a good option to try to see if you find that it initiates a better, deeper challenge for you. The frog bridge is soles together, knees flared out, and the outside of the foot is going to initiate the hip drive. Drive the knees out, lift the hips, give it the brief hold at the top, control it down. Drive the hips, control down. You can load the frog bridge up just like a glute bridge, just like a hip thruster. Dumbbell on the pelvis works beautifully. You can use it for high reps. You have to give all of these modifications a try and see what works best for you. There is no best exercise for everybody. Each of us have some individual nuance that we have to explore here. We're looking for that deep buttock challenge, and sometimes the froggy bridge or the frog bridge can offer a little extra challenge to the smaller glutes, the glute min and glute medius, compared to a typical glute bridge setup. See you next week on Therapy Thursday.